Do you know that choosing the wrong charts can make your data confusing? Let's learn which chart do you use and when. Use a bar chart to compare different categories like product sales category wise. Use column chart for time based comparison like monthly sales. Use a line chart to show trends over time like website traffic, and use a pie or donut chart to show parts of whole like expenses, market share, etc. And use a scatter chart to find relationship between two variable like height and weight. Histogram is for frequency distribution. Area chart show trends with volume and stake bar compares across categories, and a tar chart is compare multiple variables. Right chart means right inside. For details example of all 10 charts, which watch my full video. Video link is in description. Thank you. Bye bye.